Do you like football?
Yes, I love it.
Is FIFA 2026 exciting?
Yes, very exciting.
Where is it held?
In the USA.
Is the stadium big?
Yes, very big.
Is this LA Stadium?
Yes, it is.
Is the stadium full?
Yes, completely full.
Are you a fan?
Yes, big fan.
Which team do you like?
I like USA team.
Is USA playing today?
Yes, against Argentina.
Is Argentina good?
Yes, very strong team.
What is the score?
It is 0-0.
Is the game starting?
Yes, just started.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, right here.
Is your seat good?
Yes, great view.
Is the grass green?
Yes, very green.
Is the weather good?
Yes, sunny and warm.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, showing the score.
Is the app good?
Yes, very useful.
Can you watch live?
Yes, right here.
Is the crowd loud?
Yes, very loud.
Are fans happy?
Yes, very happy.
Do you wear a jersey?
Yes, number 8.
Is it a USA jersey?
Yes, blue and red.
Is football fun?
Yes, so much fun.
Do you play football?
Yes, every weekend.
Are you a good player?
I try my best.
Is Argentina the best?
They are very strong.
Who will win today?
I think USA will.
Is the goalkeeper ready?
Yes, totally ready.
Are the players fast?
Yes, very fast.
Is the referee strict?
Yes, quite strict.
Is there a halftime?
Yes, after 45 minutes.
Is halftime soon?
No, just started.
Do you eat at halftime?
Yes, I do.
Is stadium food good?
Yes, very good.
Is it expensive?
A little expensive.
Do you have water?
Yes, in my bag.
Is it hot today?
Yes, a little hot.
Do you have a hat?
Yes, on my head.
Are there many flags?
Yes, so many flags.
Are USA fans loud?
Yes, very loud.
Are Argentina fans here?
Yes, many of them.
Is the atmosphere great?
Yes, incredible atmosphere.
Do you feel excited?
Yes, very excited.
Is this your first match?
No, not first time.
Do you come often?
Yes, every big match.
Is World Cup special?
Yes, very special.
How often is World Cup?
Every 4 years.
Is 2026 important?
Yes, very important.
Is USA a host country?
Yes, one of 3.
Which other countries host?
Canada and Mexico, too.
Is that interesting?
Yes, very interesting.
Are there many teams?
Yes, 48 teams total.
Is that a lot?
Yes, more than before.
Which group is USA in?
I need to check.
Do you know the schedule?
Yes, on my phone.
Is the schedule easy?
Yes, easy to follow.
Do you watch every match?
Yes, I try to.
Is that tiring?
A little, but fun.
Do you watch with friends?
Yes, always with friends.
Is that more fun?
Yes, much more fun.
Do you have snacks?
Yes, many snacks.
Is popcorn good here?
Yes, very good.
Do you take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Is the view good?
Yes, perfect view.
Will you share photos?
Yes, on social media.
Do you have followers?
Yes, some followers.
Is football popular here?
Yes, very popular.
Is it growing in USA?
Yes, growing very fast.
Do kids play football?
Yes, everywhere.
Is it good for kids?
Yes, very good.
Do schools have teams?
Yes, many school teams.
Is football your favorite sport?
Yes, #1 sport.
Do you watch other sports?
Sometimes, but football first.
Is 2026 World Cup big?
Yes, biggest ever.
Will you watch the final?
Yes, definitely yes.
Who will win the cup?
I hope USA wins.
Is that possible?
Yes, anything is possible.
Are you ready to watch?
Yes, let us go.